Hi! Pag-uwi na kami. May kamukha si Marco!
Si Marco?
Oh, habang meron pa bang gusto
Si Marco. Nasaan ba si Marco?
Alam ko na to eh.
Ayun!
Siyempre si Princess and Miguel!
Ang sus ko niya.
Sino kamukha? Ayun!
Big winners ang lahat.
Ano talaga? Sino? Minumulto na ako ng damdamin ko. Ay, sana! Sana! Big winner na!
Crossroads Center Pilipinas! Handa na ba kayong salubungin ang ating big winners? He at Krista!
Ayun! They're big winner!
Congratulations! Dahil kayo ang kapuso at kapamilya, third big placers,
Ano yan? Anong meron? Hindi talaga si Caprice.
Yan, kila Caprice yan, yung sometimes.
Ah, ito yun. Hindi talaga si Caprice at si Lolo yung big winner ko. Sino pa? Siya talaga nga! Nakakawin.
Ayaw, di ma.
Sana all baliw. May paa.
Nice!
Pag-uwi na kami. We're on the way to you, Caprice and Lela.
Pag wala sila, kakain na lang.
Libre ni Johnny.
Hindi. Sabi mo! Sabi mo!
Oh, I just treat you all by orange bucket, di ba?
Ay, gabi. Kita-kita yung kamay
Baga ko
mo
biglang
dyan.
umalis.
Yeah, let's
I'm
go!
bending my
Lela, big winner!
I'm big winner. It's my big winner is by Lela.
You're my four-leaf clover. So in love.
Buti na lang di tayo naabutan ng red light. Wow! Are we gonna daan to EDSA or no?
No. No. Malapit pa.
Sarap ang hangin.
Go, go, guys! Can you hear me, guys?
Uy, teka lang na kayo mag-shout out na lang yung tao.
Gusto ko si Stena, ganado.
Guys!
Ay, itong depress naman. Oh! One more, one more.
Tignan mo ito, tignan mo ito. Hello? How about the other one? I mean excavator.
Hindi ka magdikit yung legs niya, oh. Magdikit yung legs mo.
Pagdikitin mo.
Close. Yan.
Oh, go. So guys, after legit and dance class, we're gonna study for our exam. P equals
Napakasisipag naman ng mga baby girl ko na
Kanina
yan.
pa kami nagre-review yung 12:30.
It's been 3 hours, 2 hours na
Di pala. 5,000 times 0.20. Mali. Mali din. 1,000? Edi personal interest, 1,000?
use this for display? My answer.
Bang dito naman sa kabilang side, may mga batang naglalaro. Very good naman. Ito pala yung binigay sa amin na mga toys ng Robinsons, ng Toys R Us, yung mga squishy toys. Oh, para hindi rin puro gadget, di ba? Very good naman yung Stella ko na yan.
Are we done?
Ganun naman.
Baka mas statistics yung brain cells ko sa'yo.
Can do it.
Tita, iba kasi pagkausap mo with high honors eh.
Ay, high honor si El. Sana all. Ikaw, ate.
Honors. Muntik lang umabot.
Okay lang yun.
Please. Honor.
Kahit pa, muntik na eh.
But my picture
I need to improve. Kailangan matalo. Charis.
Ano? Ay, wala pa tayong narinig.
Hey guys, today we're going to eat orange bucket!
Ha?
Tito, can you put rice na?
How do you like it?
Hi, El!
Eat.
Ang ating all-time favorite.
And in the sides po.
Alright.
And mas masarap siya pag kinamay.
Of course.
Ay, nag-wash na ba ng hands ang mga batang ito?
Wash muna eh. Ay, hindi. May plastic pala eh.
Sige, wait, tantay muna natin yung rice. Kasi rice is the best part.
Ba't humulog?
No rice.
Ba't ginawa na kayong isang glove ka? We're supposed to use one. No, we're supposed to use two because it's good.
Mag-apron!
Put your arms in here. Oh, put your arms in here.
He's so tiny. In where? Underwear?
Stella, oh.
You can use
Go, Stella.
garbage plastic.
Oo, very good. Ayan, ang taba.
I feel like a garbage can.
No.
No, this is for your clothes.
Gagi.
6, 7. Hey guys, running around the rice. I'm getting a potato.
Oh, sabi ni El yung crab.
I'll just get it.
Kami.
Oh, Scarlett, mali yung way ng pagtatapon.
Sa seafood. 1, 2, 3, go. Lemon. We're gonna put some lemon.
No!
Okay.
Why no?
Shrimp. Bro, mas masarap siya kainin without the gloves.
Mahirap na itong gloves.
Kaya nga, remove it. You wash your hands naman eh.
Which one's mine?
You can, this one. You like this?
That I want that.
Okay.
Share na lang kayo ni Tenten. Mami, can you remove the gloves? Okay, so while eating, Q&A. Go, think of a question.
Wait, can you join?
Okay.
Sabi- Oh, sure, Stella. May gusto bang question kay ate?
Oh, you ask us questions. Risky questions.
Now yun, si Stella mag-tatanong. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth or dare? Oh. El, anong favorite subject sa school? Ah, sayang.
And I have one arm crab.
El? Ilan taon na si El?
12.
12. Si Scarlett? 12 din. Anong birth month mo, El?
April.
Ah, April, malapit na! Scarlett?
Over, di pa ka nag-March, ma?
Malapit na kasi susunod doon, April.
It's okay.
My birth month is October.
Mhm. So, ang tanong,
So, yes. Look.
anong favorite subject niyo?
English.
English? Ikaw, El? Oh. Next question. Give me the first letter ng class niyo sa loob ng room. Classroom, ha?
Wala. Loob lang.
Loob ng room? Sa labas ba ng room? Iba kasi yung sa labas ng room.
Tawag doon, red flag, ang daming crush.
Ah, so dapat pagka-crush isa lang?
Yes.
Ah.
Kasi yun ang ina-admire mo.
Oh! So meron ka isang crush sa school.
Yeah.
Ano ang first letter?
Why would I tell you?
Ah, secret! Grabe. Hulaan nyo nga kung sino comment nyo yan. Ikaw, El.
Wala.
Initial.
Mapapanood ni Mami.
Hindi yung hormones.
Initial ng crush. Naggulungan pa.
Okay, the letter of my crush's name in school is E.
E? Ikaw?
S.
S? Oh my God.
Tigna?
Strap bigla.
Sarap galing.
And then your hands are gonna get grishy.
Ikaw, El, water ka or...
I-reveal namin yung pangalan. Pag muna, go.
Eh? Bawat i-review secret.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Pag sinabi ko go, sabihin natin tayo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Scarlet.
Nalito ako doon. Bahala
Yung
sila
kapatid
dyan.
namin.
Mm-mm.
Second letter of Apple Squash is wait.
Uy, kumaingay.
Sinabi niya, ma.
Ay, hindi ko narinig.
Lagi ka sa akin mamaya sa taas. Tapos re-wrestlingin kita.
Describe your crush. Everybody must describe their crush.
Ayan, gusto ko yan. Everybody must describe their crush. Oh.
If everybody, you too.
Ay, may crush si Stella.
Hala.
May crush na si Stella.
Ano meron daw?
Anong mag-start yung letter? Letter?
J.
Letter?
J.
J.
Already know who.
Can you describe?
But you're not allowed to say.
Yes, it's a secret.
Bro.
Yan, harap.
Are there any more showers? Can I have some of that?
Wait, sure, wait lang.
That.
May round 2 pa kami ni Elle. Wait lang.
Move tayo next round.
Mm.
You know your hands are gonna get greasy after that.
Uh-huh.
So that's why I wear gloves. Thank you.
Sayang to, oh. Oh, ipahid nyo yan
Okay,
sa
describe
makano
your
nyo.
crush. Okay, I'm gonna describe mine. Smart.
I already know her crush.
Oh, shh. Oh.
Smart. Handsome. Not Catholic.
Ay! Not Catholic? Sino yun?
Focus on his studies.
Mm-hmm.
Maldito.
Ay?
Does he sit? Does he sit next to you?
Mm.
In the class?
Does he sit next to your class?
No, we're not classmates.
Mm.
Describe his grade.
Huh?
With high honors. Grade 11 or
Grade level.
grade 7?
Huh?
Your classmate eh.
Yeah, I described it. Alam mo may grade 9 ako kaklase.
I know.
Okay, wait lang.
Very good magtanong si Stella.
Your grade 7 friend.
Oo.
Grade 7 crush.
Dami naman yan.
Right?
Then you're in the same room.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
How did you know?
Ito, 10, 10.
Because you told me.
Ano lang gusto mo?
Ito.
You get that?
Ito, ayan na dyan yung lasa ng food. Tikman mo. See? Diba? Oh.
I'm so obsessed with crab legs.
Wait,
Crab
I
legs?
crab legs, okay?
Here pa 10, 10. Oh. See?
Look at my lashes.
I don't want too much makeup. Hindi too much yan. Parang crush lang. Siya, tingnan mo. Crush lang. Oh. Ayan. Kasi gusto ko na.
So hot, my head hurts.
So this is the final experiment.
Anong ginamit mo ate? Can you share?
Yeah, it's Vaseline.
Okay.
I don't need too much makeup.
Yes.
I look
I'm done with everything in my life.
So, let's go na. Mag-late na tayo. Bye!
Oh, sa marketplace. Kasi, bago ka.
Setting spray, my favorite.
Isabel? Hi guys! Done filming now on the way home to rest and I'm with Shayliel and Marga again and GJ?
Oo. So, how's your filming?
This is the most tiring day ever. Ay hindi. Kami kasi dalawa pinuntahan namin. Unang-una, you saw me earlier, I was covered in leather.
Leather kayo?
Yeah, we're all in all black. Pero ako, leather ako kasi pasikat ako eh. Diba? Ako talaga si Billy Joe. So, ang init. Tapos wala pang aircon na bukas sa loob ng JDC.
Sira daw.
It's all broken.
Ah, kaya pala.
Tapos tinanggal ko yung D. Kaya pumunta kami sa GC. Tapos, ang init pa rin. Badamot, tinaas nila yung aircon para hindi kami makatapat. Yung aircon nilagay nilang gano'n. Nakakaya nyo kung gano'n nila.
Yung sa ngayon na
So,
ginaganon na yung aircon.
okay. So, later na lang ulit. Bye.
Wala pa sila? Show.
At the audience entrance, going to studios, but in here si Darren, Maui. So 12 o'clock po, stay tuned for Asok Live. Mapapanood niyo po si Scarlett with G-Force kasama si Billy Crawford sa bago niya music video na Bounce That. You know. Grabe naman si Inigo.
Pag sinabi ng artist, everybody tayo, tayo po kayo. Pag tumayo kayo, sasayaw kayo, hindi kayo tatayo, tapos gaganyan. Okay ha? Pag tumayo po, i-party nyo po. Kasi yung mga cameraman namin umiikot kapag maganda po ang mga ginagawa ninyo, tatapatan kayo ng camera, mapapanood kayo ng mga kapamilya ninyo. Wala po ba nagtatago sa utang? Baka makunan po kayo, abangan kayo sa labas, ha?
Buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pag kumain na kahawa, yung ganit, siniladobo. Yung galaw pinadala sa kanto, tagay mo na nga ang baso. Para ko inom na tayo, Pilipino. Ikaw ay aking ano? Ikaw ay aking Pilipino, 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 one Filipino, one Filipino, one Filipino.
Into victory, into pride. Mga kababayan natin patuloy na lumalaban sa iba't ibang larangan at ibinabandera ang ating bandila, bansa at lahing Pilipino. Nabigyan ng tagumpay sa lahat ng mahuhusay nating kababayan saan man sa mundo. This is your stage. This is ASA.
bounce that, yeah.
Picture po. Di ba halata 43 ako? J. Kent! Guys, palabakan nyo, J. Kent! Pinoy Pride na. Thank you, Sherwin! Thank you po, G-Force, thank you. Let's go!
Hi guys! Congratulations! Kamusta ang performance ng mga batang ito?
Sakit ang tiyan ko.
With the G-Force AC Angela, here are internationally renowned artists. Time to bounce that with J. Kent and Billy Crawford.
That's all for today's vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click the bell button to... Wait, naglalag. Basta para lumabas yung mga video ko. Bye-bye! Bounce that!
Down if you're going tonight.